Bro. Damn, my phone about to die already. First you get that money, then you get that power. First you get that money, then you. First you get that money, then you get that power. First you get that money, then you get that power. First you get that money, then you get that power. First you get that money, then you get that power. So rain, shorty. Yeah, they that. Hit on with that block. You did that. All right. Hit on with that blocker. You did that. Hit on with that block. All right. Let's do the full breakdown analysis. So as you can see, it was doing daily. We're strictly in downtrends right now. We're strictly in downtrends. You can even look at the weekly. Weekly we in uptrends. This would be a good buy, in all honesty, but if you want to hold for a long time, this will actually be a good buy. If it comes down here, doesn't break any lows and break above, well, that would take a very long time. The market is very bearish right now, but we're not gonna go off the weekly. We're not. I had price coming in here too, but we're not gonna go off the weekly. But you would like to buy long term very soon. If it could come down here and break above here, you would like to buy a price very soon. So let's look at the daily. So as you can see, the daily was going up, and then you can see it's just dropping. So as you can see, you don't really see no retracement. So we're gonna go to a lower time frame, but it is bearish because it broke daily structure. Because y'all know what structure is: go up, up. Everyone knows what market structure is. If you don't, I could explain it a little better. As you can see, high, low, before it breaks. This is the low. It broke structure, comes down. Wait till it break this structure, break structure again. What happened? Wait till it break structure again, break structure again. Wait till it break structure, break structure again. This is the low. It breaks structure again, and the price has to come back to where it broke structure at. So every time it breaks structure, just draw it out. So this is where it's at lowest. It comes back. It always comes back. And then if it doesn't break its highs, this is how simple the market is. Don't make like it's very simple. It's just a lot of people is not patient. Trading is so easy. It's just a lot of people not patient. It's not breaking any high, so therefore you come back and where would you look for price to go? Where it went previous low. So anything below here, you will want price to come back right here. So what it does, come here, boom, say you put it in a sell, boom, you down for a couple of days, boom, and then bam, it hits right there. Now we look for new lows because what happened? We made a new low in the market. So new low in the market, boom, new low. So what happened? New low in the market off the 4 hour. Or we could actually be very patient because this can be like fake out wicks, but I really don't believe it's fake out wicks. So we just keep this one here for the get go. But the high and then previous price was right here. So this would be like a super good. So like previous highs was like right around here. So this would be super good if it could come up here and then sell down from here. You would try to enter off here, but you would keep a tight stop loss here. Keep a tight stop loss. So for 30, there's nothing you can really do per se. You would try to wait for a price to actually come up. Even on an hour, price will it eventually didn't break structure in all honesty, because it's still bearish. It's not showing no sign of bullish. Don't let this fool you because it's bearish. Look, it's not breaking no type of highs. Like it's not breaking this. It's not breaking this. This is considered bearish. So you just try to keep selling. Everything is bearish. Everything, it's not breaking no highs. It's not breaking nothing. Nothing. It's not breaking anything. So you'll try to. So basically, what I'll do is just wait. Wait. Price can come from here to here. And you want to just delete. I'm going to delete this. So boom. So price can eventually break its lows, come back here. You could get a little entry here, comes up, comes down. So what you will want to see basically is it's heading in the right direction. So from here, it will come here. So you just want to see bearish momentum. And the best way, like I said, this won't happen all the time, but when it does, it happens consistently. Let it break the low. This is where the lowest price is at. But if it doesn't come here, let it, if you say like it comes here, plays around, let it come up. Make sure it doesn't break zero. If it breaks zero, it's not valid. It's not valid. If it goes higher than zero and one, and if it just go higher than zero, it's not a valid trade. So boom. So say it comes to like right there, then it comes right here. Number 3. So where the golden zone is at, where our previous lows was at. You will want to enter from here and make the stop loss here, and then you will want price. You will want to go break even at 1, and you will want to take it down from here to TP. So basically, you will enter something like this. So it comes up. This is the low. This is 0. Once it comes here, you put your stop loss right here because it didn't break this and it went below the gold. You'll go break even right here. Boom, break even, just so you won't lose profits, because it can, if it hit equal highs, it could tell the market, hey, It hit equal highs about 90% of the times. It hit equal highs. Like if it breaks this gold, it's gonna hit equal highs. So where it broke out at. So this is where it's equal to. But on an overall time frame, where's the equal highs? The hour. So basically, we would try to. That's why I said you gotta look at the higher time frame. So we would try to extend it to here, and then we would go. We would still hold break even. Either you would take your profits now, or if you believe the price will go down, you can just hold, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So right now, this is how it would look. That's how I would trade dollars. So, so let's just delete this. My boy, bro. Well, I'm mad as hell. Look what happened for fucking Nas. I went break even on this bitch. I entered from here, went break even. Cause I been saying this. I said, bro, if this shit goes under here, the shit is gonna run. And look what happened. I went break even. I thought that it might come back up, and it just started running. So for Nas, like I said, I entered here. It closed me out because it was below lows. If it came back up, I'm like, hey, it might go up. Didn't really go up, but it just did a little fake out. Boom. Probably want to take some people out. A lot of people probably entered sales, stopped a lot of people out. And then yeah, but this is nice structure. It's still nice structure. We're gonna delete this. In all honesty, like I said, US 30 for long-term buys is probably sooner than like you can honestly buy 30 buys. Like if you want to buy like if you was a like investor or you want to invest, look how low this is off the weekly. In all honesty, just don't fuck with 30 right now unless you could get some type of sales from here to here. That's it. But I don't really see it going. But if it respects it, it respects it. I can see something like that. Nas probably a little bit more drop. It probably could drop a little more. You see how it broke daily structure? So boom. Now we in bearish momentum. Everything is bearish. Boom. So I still wouldn't sell like Nas on a higher time frame for bearish momentum. I just wouldn't. Like if it came back up here and it comes down, even if it does come down, even if you want to sell, I say sell 50% of whatever it comes to. Was good, my boy, was good. So I sell 50% when it comes to. So say it comes back up here, I just sell it to like right here. I won't even sell this whole thing because it's Nas. Nas goes up. But it might want to go down. Like we in wartime. I don't mind Nas doing a drop to here. I just don't like selling long term, but I'm kind of upset. Yeah, I got sales too. I don't like selling, but the market is telling me to sell. And like I said, I only way I'm mad because I entered from here. Sold, it waked me out, and then it went running because I knew this shit was gonna happen. I'm like, bro, it's breaking daily structure. If it breaks daily structure, this shit is going to melt. I've been saying that. I've been saying that for a minute. That's why I was like, I don't want to sell 30, but I sell Nas because it's breaking daily structure. That's what I kept saying. I say I will sell Nas because even if it doesn't want to sell, if it break daily structure, it's gonna break hard, and which it did. And then so 4 hour shit, you don't really have nothing. Uh it just keep going down. Like I said, it's breaking daily structure. This would be a good sell point. This would be a good sell point. If it comes below it, this would be a good sell point. You have a lot of good sell points in Nas, but you have to be patient. If it just keep going down, let it go down. Don't chase the market. If it sells, it sells. Your time to get in sales was probably around here. Like I said, it wigged me out. Boom. You could have probably got back in right here and then just hold. Sometimes you just have to hold. It broke daily structure. You have to hold. Now, for gold, I'm telling y'all, I think gold is about to take off. I got gold taking off very soon. Uh, I'm in 2 golds. So I'm in one right here. I'm telling you, once it hit my alert, I go break even. Why? Because it's gonna hit equal highs. It kind of did hit equal high. Hey, yeah, lock in, man. Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah, go ahead, turn up for your birthday and just lock in. What the hell you about to do, man? What you about to do for your birthday? I don't even be doing shit for my birthday. Probably go to eat or something, probably chill. You want to pop some bottles or section, or you just another chill day. I don't be doing nothing. But so for gold, I got in off the 15. So overall, daily wise, ooh yeah, that sounds like my type of night. Go ahead, play a little blackjack, play a little poker. I know you like that baccarat. Oh yeah, the chain, and yeah, I know you got that baccarat. I know you like that jump. The baccarat. Ooh, nah, I'm a blackjack nigga. Yeah, the chain. Yeah, he about to be clean. I gotta play roulette. I ain't been in a casino in a minute. I think ever since I lost like 400, I was like, nah, I don't want to go back. My man got money to blow though. All right, let's take this off. Go okay, go. Once it hit here, I am kind of nervous because I think, in all honesty, yeah, the craps, the roulette. Ooh, you about to turn up. Yeah, when you get that chain, man, you gonna have to show me that joint again. I'm trying to see how that joint look. I think gold's gonna run though. The only thing I must be scared of, but you have to like understand the market. Once it hits here and I go break even, I think it's gonna hit here and go break even and comes back. Even though I closed out break even and I still think it was gonna go up, I would rather risk that than lose what like $900 on this trade. So it hit equal highs. So it broke out from here, it hit equal highs. As long as it hit equal highs, 90% is always going to hit equal highs before I even like tell you. Like if it breaks the gold area, which it did, it will always hit equal highs. So I could have got in again, right? No, it was Sunday. Bro, I'm at like 98K. Bro, I didn't win one trade. Well, I won one trade. I kind of went I lost like 200 on GJ because on Friday. Why I lost? I keep telling you the equal highs. So what happened? I entered off here and it just won't breaking. So I was like, bro. And what I tell you, I said GJ might sell daily wise. And look what the fuck happened. I'm glad, bro, because I was down right here. I was down right here. Oh no, I won 400 because this is what I did. It's not even risking. I put like I think like I put a high lot size right here. It came back up half. It came back up half. I won like 400. It came back to break even, and then it came down to here. I exit immediately, and I think the market was about to close. It was like Friday, yeah. It was like 12 o'clock. I exit immediately. I said, bro, it doesn't want to go up. It doesn't want to go up because I'm like, bro, I really lost like right here. Now stop loss was like right here, but I was like, bro, it hit here, won like 400, lost like I think like 200, and then yeah, it just dropped. I knew this was gonna happen because look, uh, wait, no, um, let's look at the 4 hour. Let's see. It once it went break even and went like halfway down, I said, bro, get the hell out. It's like because the market just didn't want to break. Mm-mm. No, I don't give it. I'm not gonna give it sales yet. I'm not gonna give it sales yet. Why? I'm not gonna give it sales yet. It has to break here. For me, uh, It has to break here. It has to break here for me. It has to break here for sales. It has to break here. Cause it is. Oh my god! I would have sold here, right here, if the 4 hour looked it better. Like it broke. Like let me see. Boom! It sold off. Price. All right, it sold off here. Then it sold off here again. I kind of knew it was gonna sell here. Like I kept saying that. I said I kind of know, but it's like I didn't want to sell. I did like I said, bro. If it comes lower than here, guaranteed lower than here, it's gonna at least come here. It's gonna fill out all this shit. It's gonna fill that out. But if it come, like I said, if it came above here, but it really broke low, so it doesn't have to do this. Like guarantee, it doesn't have to do this. But guarantee, if it comes lower than here, it has to do this. It has to come back down. Yeah, like the only way I don't like selling, I gotta keep seeing sales, bro. Yeah, I just been chilling, like even now, it's like I knew fucking. Nah, I knew 30 was gonna sell, but it's like I just didn't want to sell. I knew Nas was gonna sell. I would have sold Nas because it was breaking daily. That's it. Uh, GJ, I don't really. Mm, I honestly, I'm gonna be totally honest. This is really equal highs. This is just a fake out. So fuck. You really can sell from here. In all honesty, let's delete this. Fuck it. Watch this. Low key, let's delete everything from this shit. You might really can sell from there. You really might. I really might can sell because boom, where it broke out at right here. Boom, breaks out right here. Hmm. I don't. It's just daily wise. It breaks out from here, and that's fucking gross because it can still kind of retrace back up and then come down. It can still be a buy. Like weekly, it's a fucking buy, like, but I still think price will come back eventually. Right here, I still think price will come back eventually here. That's why I don't like selling. Yeah, exactly. As soon as I start selling, the market gonna retrace. It shows sales though. Like weekly, it's a fucking bot. I would like price to come here. If price could come here, that'd be wonderful. I think price will come here. If price could come here, I like if I do sell, I would sell to here. Like I just sell to here and I'll be done. I sell to here, GJ, and I'll be done off the weekly. So I'm like, all right, price want to come here. It's still gonna go up. I'm in all honesty, the shit gonna go up. The shit is just gonna go up. It just went up for so damn long. So I think it kind of wants to come back. Right. Yeah, I think it just want to come like look, it comes up. You see it being up for so long, it comes back down to where it broke out at. So I don't mind selling it here. I'd just be mad if I do. So this is what I will do. Low key, this was probably the best sell point in all honesty. In all honesty. But if it does hit here, I would just sell off the rip. Just sell off the rip. I just sell off the rip. Um, I don't really like the stop loss. In all honesty, if you just sell like right here, I will. You really want it here, but you can probably push it to here. and see how you feel. If you want to get out, you can get out. And I'll sell the here, break even, here, TP. Boom. That's what I'll do. And then 4 hours. So all right, boom, 4 hours. So 4 hours, what I'll do. Wait, all right. Let's go back to daily. It's like, let me see. It's like I don't really like this entry though, because it's not really a low. It's like it's really sales right here. In all honesty, I'm really just trying to force it. What I would do though, what I do, if it does break here, you can sell to here. But if it does come back up here, you can sell again. Because I still think it's gonna come down. I think it's a good sell though. So this is what I do though. In all honesty. Boom. Let me see. Comes up. Fuck. It's not really breaking structure off 4 hour though, because it can still be 4 hours not breaking structure. If I go down a lower time frame, it's breaking structure. We're gonna see what it do when we wake up. If it breaks here, we're just gonna sell. It can still be buys though. It has to break here. Off there, it has to break it. It has to. It has to break here. GJ has to break here. It just has to. Before we even start selling. Maybe here, like if we go on an hour, we could catch an early sell. Like this is nice right here. Like right here, like this is a nice sell though. That's why I say you can sell like off hour. Like boom, off the hour you can sell from here. Oh, matter of fact, this is nice. 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 You will want this. You will want this. You will really want this. Let it come up, come back down. Oh my gosh, this would be clean. This would be super clean. I like GJ. And then you can sell, bro. You can sell about 3 times off this bitch. Cause what you gonna sell here? You just gonna sell here just because it broke struck? Let me see. I'm trying to follow structure to a T. So it comes up higher, high. So low, high, low, high. Oh no, even off hour. I don't really like it. Started selling cells. Came up. So you could have sold off right here. Could have sold off right here when it broke structure. And it made positive structure again. That's why I said it kept me. That's why I bought right here. Because when it broke structure to the highs, when it broke this, boom. It came up. It came back down. I bought here. Boom. It didn't break. So I knew to exit. Boom. Let me not confuse myself. So let me just look at structure. Comes up. It breaks. Oh, this is the low. Yeah. Let me not confuse myself. That's a sell point, right? Where I got it at. That's a good sell point. Let's not confuse the shit no more, bro. This is a good. When you overanalyze, you confuse it. That I would sell here. I would sell here. That's it. Gold. Oh my gosh. Gold got to hit here. So I am in gold. I'm in gold 4 times. I'm in gold twice, actually. And I love how gold looks. Like the daily. Oh, I wish it pushed more off the daily. Because in all honesty, I'm not trying to be funny. The playoffs is about to start. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see the rankings. I want to see the I keep telling my sleeper team is Atlanta. Well, the East, the West, I don't really got no sleeper team. I just think the Nuggets or fucking. I just got the Nuggets. That's what I'm gonna pick. I got the Nuggets making the finals. I don't know who the fuck I got out the East. Um, I really could, bro. I'm not even trying to joke. I could see. I'm not trying to be funny. I could see Atlanta in the finals. I'm not trying to be funny. I said this last year. I swear to God, I said this last year. I said my sleeper team is the Indiana Pacers. I really said that shit, bro. It's like I really be predicting the finals because it's like what happened. I said when Luka made the finals, I predicted that. I said Luka gonna make the finals this year, even though they were 6 seed. I predicted I predicted the Celtics and the Warriors. I predicted the Celtics was gonna make the finals, but I predicted they was gonna win, but I failed. I predicted Indiana. Uh, I really did predict it. That's the one I'm wild about. Everyone was calling me fucking crazy. I said, bro, Indiana gonna make it. I ain't said they were gonna make it. I said they're gonna be my sleeper team. I said they're gonna be my sleeper team. What was I going? I'm trying to see. I don't think Detroit. I ain't gonna lie. Like if this is what I mean. Like if Atlanta play fucking Detroit, they are gone, bro. They don't got Cade. They don't got Cade, so they're gonna be toast. Let's see. I just want the Hornets in the playoffs just to see how they are. I just want to see the Hornets. I ain't gonna lie, fuck the Magic. They trash. Uh Toronto, Cleveland. Bro, I don't believe in none of these East teams. Atlanta. If you want me to predict like a fucking regular, I'll say Celtics. But Atlanta, my sleeper team. East, yeah. I got the Nuggets. That's it. That's just the Nuggets. Yeah. Well, who you got for the playoff? But look, for daily, why I'm scared? Because gold can still sell. And why can gold still sell? Because it really didn't break shit. In all honesty, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll go break even on this bitch. So what do I mean? Gold still got the capability of going down. Like it really didn't break daily too much. Like, look, it comes up, didn't break. Comes up, doesn't break. Comes up. So I am in this one. But what would make me leave this one is I'm glad I entered the 15. It can't like this shit really. This is what I'll do. And I'm gonna be on honesty. Once it hits here, once it hits like right here, I'll go break even on the bitch. I wouldn't play with gold. I'm not playing with gold. Because if it does come here, it's at least equivalent to the 15-minute breakout. But if it comes back down, it's showing me off the daily, it doesn't want to break here yet. And you know what's crazy? I keep saying maybe daily wise it doesn't want to break. Remember, daily it can range a little bit. Like it can stay in this area for like 20 days. Like boom, 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 then break. Like it doesn't have to just break automatically. Like even like if it broke like to like right here, I would still be feeling comfortable in holding if it came back down. I would just enter again off the daily. But it's not really breaking the daily. So that's why I'm low key kind of I'm low key would if once it hit here, I low key would say all hats off, we're going to break even. Like just go break even. If I go break even, I don't lose nothing, but I just break even. I probably be up like $500, $400. Lose 0, fine. Matter of fact, I'll lose like 200. In all honesty, because if it comes, I enter from here and I enter from here. I'll just go break even right here. boom, and I lose that 200. But if it comes here, just go break even, and hopefully it can just go up. We're just saying hopefully, because in all honesty, this shit can sell. I just keep saying that. Because look, why can this shit sell? Because think of it as a sell right now. Off the 4 hour, it's a sell. What happens here? Low, boom, boom. Market can really, in all honesty, the market can do it. And it looked like it is gonna do it. Say you sell right here, boom, sell to like right here. But like I keep saying, daily is stronger, but daily hasn't broke what the 4 hour broke. Basically, like daily did not break this for it to be a buy yet, but 4 hour broke this to be a sell. So it can. I really might just take my profits. I ain't gonna lie. Now that I think about it, I might just take profits. Well, I feel like a dumbass if the shit go up. Probably not. I'ma just look back on it and be like, damn, look where I could have been in. I might just take profits, bro. I really think it's gonna range a little bit before it come up. I might just take prop. No, I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna just go break even. Because if it, because daily is stronger than 4, but it's like 4, it can come as here, hit here, then comes back up here. That's why I'll be like, oh my gosh. Daily wise, it's a buy. 4 hour wise, it's a sell. Like you could have sold here, you could have sold here, boom. This would have been a nice sell. Not breaks, low, breaks. It's not really, it's not really telling me sales except only 4 hour, in all honesty. Like 15-minute is a buy, 1 hour is a buy. Daily is unconclusive. Daily is so unconclusive because it didn't break this yet. But 4 hour is a sell. But you would have sold here. But your stop loss is right here. That's why I can break here, comes here, then boom. Oh my gosh. This would be a nasty sell though. Ah, not really. I think it's gonna sell. Not sell, but I think it's just gonna range. I might just have to come here, go break even for the worst, and hopefully I can just get back in gold at a later time. And then that's everything. US 30 you can maybe sell. I don't want to, but I most likely would. Gold, I'm gonna just stay in gold for now. GJ, just wait. And I've been looking at this. I would actually lost this shit. Maybe I wouldn't trade this shit, but I would have lost this off the daily. I would have lost this shit, and I would have been mad. I would have lost this. Boom. It does. I gotta find a T to it though. Like boom, it breaks structure here. It does come back. Like it doesn't really do structure very nice. When I think about it, it doesn't. Yeah. I guess, bro. I don't know. It just doesn't. I don't know, bro. I don't. Like I said, everything can be right. Like you did get a couple of pushes down. Like this was daily was a sale, but it could be like, hey, I don't want to sell no more. Or I ain't gonna lie, in all honesty, this shit can still go down. Like this was the high, but if daily could just push down like to there, It's just telling you it's a fake out. But yeah, that's all I got for today, man. And we out of here. I'll be up here tomorrow.